Vong, a small village in Hanoi, is famous for a specialty, com, young sticky rice flakes. To make com, artisans follow a series of steps. They preserve the techniques by passing them down to their sons. In the past, people made com by hand, but they now use machines for some steps to shorten the process. They wrap the final product in 2 layers of leaves to preserve its fragrance before selling it to consumers. Com Lang Vong is well known in Vietnam as a specialty of Hanoi autumn. Denbigh is a village in the county of Derbyshire, England. It is the home of the famous Denbigh pottery, which is made from the finest local clay. Going around the village, we can see artisans' handcraft pottery collections. They still use some of the original techniques passed down through generations. In Denbigh products, we can see their beauty and function, which make them world famous. Today, Denbigh is also a tourist attraction. Visitors can make pottery in workshops or find out about the history of pottery in the museum. Emblen, as effectively safe, the Rickware agents, to make
Vong, a small village
Vong,
in Hanoi,
a small
is
village
famous for
in
a
Hanoi,
specialty.
is famous for a
Com,
specialty,
young sticky
com,
rice flakes.
Young sticky rice
To make
flakes.
com,
Artisans follow a series of steps. They preserve the techniques by passing them down to their sons. In the past, people made com by hand, but they now use machines for some steps to shorten the process. They wrap the final product in 2 layers of leaves to preserve its fragrance before selling it to consumers. Com Lang Vong is well known in Vietnam as a specialty of Hanoi autumn. Denbigh is a village in the county of Derbyshire, England. It is the home of the famous Denbigh pottery, which is made from the finest local clay. Going around the village, we can see artisans' handcraft pottery They still use some of the original techniques passed down through generations. In Denbigh products, we can see their beauty and function, which make them world famous. Today, Denbigh is also a tourist attraction. Visitors can make pottery in workshops, or find out about the history of pottery in the museum. As effectively safe, the Rickware agents, to make